Hello everyone, I hope that everyone's doing good. So in this video, I'm gonna discuss some very important things related to Redbubble, which is promoting Redbubble products on Pinterest. Because this is the most important thing in marketing that you need to know. In this tutorial, I'm gonna talk about a Pinterest marketing technique that I use, which is going to be promoting Redbubble products on Pinterest. So in the previous video, we talked about how you can create an account on Redbubble. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can promote your Redbubble product here on Pinterest. So let's get started. So I have like 15 designs here, as you can see. So I'm going to choose any design here. So I'll be using this one because it's my favorite design, the dog president. Yeah, so I'll be promoting this on my Pinterest. As you can see, I have a really great Pinterest profile, 8.82k impressions with 236 engagement. It was a lot before, but apparently you've seen that I'm not using Pinterest and not posting on Pinterest as much as I was before, so it's going down. But still, it's the best free method that you can use to drive traffic. So first of all, you have to download all the designs that you have posted. To download all the designs, you have to go here and select view shop, and once you are on the view shop section, make sure that you have to choose your product. Here it is. Yeah, the president dog, this one. So after selecting this product, you're gonna scroll down. Okay, just scroll down. Here are many products you will see that is from yours, and this is an easy method that you can use. Manage portfolio. So after clicking manage portfolio, so you'll be just going here on managing portfolio. So it's gonna go here. I'm gonna select the design. I'm gonna click on the setting on the top right and just click on promote products. So once you click on promote products, and you will see pet bandana, dad hat, house pad, everything that you, for example, I want to promote a shirt or a baseball cap. So anything that you want to promote, you can select here and just go with it. So probably I will choose a fit scoop shirt. So I'm gonna click here, download images. You can download all images as well, but I will preferably download this one, the second one. So I will download this image. So now you have the image. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come onto Pinterest. If you don't have a Pinterest account, it's fine. You just go to Google and type Pinterest business account. So once you go on Pinterest and once you go on Google and type Pinterest business account, click on the first one and just create your account. So in that way, you can easily able to like post your designs here, do everything. Because on the normal account, this is my normal account, but you cannot post images here. So I'll be showing you guys how you can post it. So once you have downloaded the photo, just go here, log into your Pinterest account. Click here on the top left, you will see create. Just go to create and just click on create pin. So you will find this. So I will be uploading the image that I have downloaded. So this is the image. So as you can see that I have just choose this one, this shirt, fitted scoop t-shirt. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna like create a board here. To create a board, first we need to add an image here. To add an image is pretty much easy. Just click here and just it will open and just like add the image. So to add a title, first of all, we're gonna do like create a new board. As you can see that I have many boards, a lot of here, like for example related to illustration, affiliate marketing. You need to create a board for everything. So I will click board here and I will just copy this fitted scoop t-shirt and I will go here and I will just paste it. Because I've put it the name related to this, because the t-shirt that the image is pretty much same. So I'm gonna click create. So you can see that it's added here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paste the same name here, fitted scoop t-shirt, and afterwards you can also write something like related to the image that's been displayed over your t-shirt. And I will go pretty much with this name, with this title, and here you can also write description as well and write tags as well. So I will write some tags: dog shirt, dog designs. That's my own research that the keyword that I've researched, I will put it here. So I will also teach you guys how you can research keywords, so it's pretty much better for you guys to rank faster on Pinterest. So I'm gonna write here designs, Redbubble, and fitted shirts and scoop shirts. So I think it's pretty much done with this tags thing. You can also write all tags if you want, you can write, but I'm not gonna write anything here. So this is the main point that you need to keep in mind, guys. Here what I'm gonna do, you need to create a link here to promote this product. So for example, this was the product that I've downloaded the image from my Redbubble account. So I'm gonna click here on the top right, you can see the share button, and it will give you a proper link. It will say pin on Pinterest, share on Tumblr, but you have to just copy its link. See, copy the link, that's it. You don't have to go in deep and share it from here, because it's not gonna rank on Pinterest if you're gonna do it automatically from here. So now I have copied the link from here. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go in this website called Bit. It's a good software that you can use. If you have a bigger link, it will just small your link in pretty much easy. So I'm gonna go paste my link here, which was this one. Copy link here, paste it. So see, you can see that it's a big URL. So when I click here short URL, it will automatically create a new URL for me, which is pretty much this is short. So I'm gonna go copy URL, I'm gonna go back to Pinterest, I'm gonna place my link here down. See, that's the trick. You can also add image related to this size, 1000 pixels by 1500 pixels, but I think this is pretty much good. So you can also write here the about t-shirt, like fitted scoop t-shirt, best looking, etc, if you want to add anything else here. So I've pasted my link here. So I'm gonna go up and publish. Boom, that's it. So you're gonna see that it will publish automatically on my Pinterest. Okay, it's showing that it's not gonna promote. So I'm gonna paste my link here like this. Gonna go here, click copy link and paste the link here, and that's it, publish, and it will be automatically published. Because sometimes if you add link, any link, it will not accept, it will block your account. See, now it's published. So it said that yeah, we have saved your board, and you can see it. For example, I scroll down here, it must show up here. Let me refresh, because you need to be posting, but if you are not posting related to, see, it's here. See, now it's here. You can see, you can scroll down, many people have posted this. So it's a pretty much best thing that you can do, and this is how you promote your Redbubble product on Pinterest. So if anyone goes here and click here, or just click here, it will definitely open my page, open my store, Redbubble store. So here is my Redbubble store. See, isn't it good? See, this is my store with many designs. So I hope that you guys like this video. Just make sure that you also do this side hustle, because it's pretty much easy, everybody can do it. So if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe and like with your friends. If you want to ask anything related to this method, you can just ask me on my comment section or in my Instagram. The link is in the bio for my Instagram account. You can reach me and we can discuss. Thank you so much.